been asked a question. How do you make a hard pack in sand on the beach? A quick hard pack. And we've got one technique called the volcano technique. What we're doing is we're just pulling the sand up into a pile. This is still soft sand. As you can see, it's still dry, so I'll make a hole in the middle and I pour the water into the hole. And what this does is it creates a core, a nice wet core, and it pulls the sand in. And as I'm doing it, I like to give it a pat, just to take the excess air out of the sand. And a little bit more. You can't really do too much here because the water just percolates through the sand. And I also have a bucket of wet sand here, and this is when I add it on. This is what I'm adding on. I'm not adding on dry sand. You can see how wet this is. So you just keep going, adding on, adding water, creating your shape. This is the volcano technique. Okay, thank you very much.